respected teachers and dear students, I would like to inform you all that today in the house we have a great personality, but down to earth among us all, and we are honored to have him as a guest in this program. So now I would like to request him with all the due respect to please come on the dais and express his thoughts about the program in front of us. Janab Moin Sahab.
Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir. Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished guest, judges, and fellow students. It is a privilege for me to come here and address you and to listen to the debate, which I had listened very sensibly. I must admit the standard of the debate has been very good. The subject matter is also very good. And the one little flaw which I found while the student delivering the speech was the pronunciation. And I think that this is because of children coming from small villages or small towns and lower income and middle income group people. Mostly English is never spoken. But in spite of all these handicaps, I realized that the children has given an excellent performance. They spoke very well. And the subject matter which was chosen about our Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and others and about the history of Islam, about Eid al-Adha and all, has been very good. I must congratulate all of you to have done so well. And thank you so much for inviting me. Rahman.